Are stained and discolored teeth impacting your confidence and limiting your social and professional opportunities? It's time to reveal a brighter, whiter, and more confident smile with the White Bite Pro Teeth Whitening Kit. This amazing kit uses advanced whitening technology to give you professional level results from the comfort of your own home. It's easy. Start by brushing and drying your teeth. Record your tooth shade using the included guide. Twist the pen to dispense the gel. Apply about 0.4 milliliters each time. You can apply the gel directly to your teeth or apply it evenly to the tray. Put the mouth tray in your mouth, bite, and press the power button to start the 16-minute treatment. After treatment, rinse your mouth and the tray with water. Use the color guide to see your improvement. Don't let stained teeth hold you back another day. Experience a brighter smile and a brighter future with White Bite Pro.